Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see in the title, I got another package I ordered from Subispeed, and yeah, I'm replacing these. I think these are the V1s taillights and I'm getting the other ones. I think they're called the V2s, or I don't know what they're called, but yeah. So I'm replacing these. I mean, these have done well. I mean, they lasted me this long. I think about 4 years now, but it's time to get the new ones. I always like the other ones because the LEDs don't show as much as these ones, so like you can tell, like you can see all the LEDs and stuff, and plus well, the styling is pretty clean because of the shape of the lens itself. It's like it stops the body line right here, so I'll show you guys how that looks, because this one continues the body line all the way to the end of the tail light, so, and the other ones are more like of a bubble look. So yeah, I'm gonna switch those out really quick. And I also got some canards, so as soon as they get here, because they're not here yet, I'll throw those on. Maybe I'll do it on this video, I don't know. Just depends on how long it takes them to get to arrive. So yeah, as always, Subispeed always ships them out right away. Even though you get standard shipping, I feel like you get them right away, so I always recommend them for all your car parts, all your car part needs. So yeah, let me just throw these on. Let me take these off really quick, and I'll show you the difference between the two. I'll probably just do a comparison on the lights and everything to the stock, the ones I have right now, compared to the third. I think it's version 3. I don't know if it's version 2 or version 3. It might be version 2. So yeah, let me install those really quick. I'm pretty sure they're. Well, let me open the box and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, well there it is outside the box. They are the smoked tail light, the V2s from Subispeed. So yeah, they look really clean. Can't really see the LEDs at all. I mean, you can if you tried, but I don't know. They just look way better than the ones I have on right now. Like if you can see them, these are, you can see the LEDs right there. And plus I wanted to switch the tail lights anyways, because those ones are missing a couple of LEDs burned out already. So I mean, they lasted pretty long, but yeah. So let me throw these on and then I'll show you how they look on the car. Alright, give me a second. Alright guys, easy install, right? Perfect fitment. The wiring, it seems better because it just, I think it's just plug and play and that's it. No more extra wiring, because my old ones I had to get an extra wiring across from both taillights to the front and connect it somewhere so that the LEDs turn on, I think. So, well, the sequential turns on. So this one is just plug and play. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's how they look on the car. Pretty clean. Hell yeah. So let me just show you the functions on each one, so that way you get an idea how they look. But I already like these ones better. They just look a lot better. So let me do that really quick. Hold on. Alright guys, well these are the hazards. As you can see, these ones have the built-in LEDs into the C light. So the turn signal is on the C light, and these ones have its own LEDs on them. So that's pretty much the difference there. And then let me show you the running lights on it. See, that one has a C light on it. That one does too. But this one's more of a like an E, and this one's just a C light. So that looks clean. And especially if the smoked out, oh, that looks so clean. So that's that one. And then let me show you with the brakes. And those are the brakes. So this one has no difference, I think. Well, it just gets brighter, I think. And then this one, the LEDs in the middle of the C light, they lit up. So on these current ones on the right side, these two right here, they went out. So it just looks like lines right here. And then but on these ones, it just gets brighter. So that's pretty cool. I mean, they're both good, but I just think these ones look cleaner. Well, let me do the reverse really quick. All right, the reverse, I think the ones on the left win because they have 5 LEDs, so they're much brighter. And then these ones, they just seem to have a couple, so yeah, reverse. I feel like they won't see you reversing unless they tried to look really hard. So yeah, these are much brighter, guys, but nonetheless, these are beautiful. So let me install the other one and show you how they look, both of them together. All right, I'll be back. Got them both installed already. One is sequential and the other one's just regular. Obviously, I'm gonna go with the sequential. I just like that more. You can't really see it. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I just like them a lot better. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. On this install for these 2 taillights, easy install, just a couple bolts. And I just like the way that wiring is. It's a lot better, a lot easier. It's just quick connect. There's no other extra wiring. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these taillights. I mean, I think I'm gonna sell those ones, even though they're missing a couple LEDs. I don't know, just sell them pretty cheap. So someone nearby, local, I mean. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these taillights. Do you like them, or do you like the other ones better? But yeah, let me just show you. Look, like right here, the body line ends. I don't know if you can see it, but the body line ends right here. So that's pretty cool. So it's more like a bubble on the side, on the back of the car. So as you can see, it just flows better with the bumper, the line, the body line. So like it starts from the trunk, goes all the way down. There's no more like an in-depth right there, so yeah, so they look better. And then from the side, you can tell, you can see the turn signal, so that's pretty cool. So let me just wait for these canards and then I'll install those too, and then that'll be completing this video. So yeah, let me just get those canards and open them up and show you guys how those look like. All right, I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is part 2 continuation of my video. So I got my canards in that little box. I'm gonna open them up. I also got some badges, mainly for the back. I'm gonna keep that one carbon fiber, but the one in the back is gonna have to have red stars because the carbon fiber one I had fell off. So I have to throw that on. I might not do it today though, because double-sided tape is a pain in the butt. But I'm gonna put on the canards. So let me open them up really quick. Alright, hold on. Obviously that's the APR, and these are the badges. So I got these from Subispeed also. I don't know, I might change it, might not. What do you guys think? But they're black with red, so no carbon fiber. And then the frames. So this one's probably for the back. And then we got the front frame, so. Yeah, it's pretty cheap, 50 bucks. Not too bad. Well, I'm not gonna throw these on today, so we can wait on these until another time, maybe tomorrow or something. But what I am gonna install today, the carbon fiber canards. So these are the canards, APR. It's not focusing, not focusing. But yeah. That's gonna look sick. Light as hell. So easy as install. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna go right here. Just line them up with the bumper and how I want them. So yeah, that's cool. Alright, when I install these guys, I'm pretty sure it's just drilling and to the bumper and screwing them on. So let me do this really quick and I'll be right back and I'll show you guys how they look on the car. Alright guys, well there it is. There's the canards on the bumper. It was a pretty quick install. All you gotta do is, you know, put tape where you mask the areas you're gonna mark, and then just follow the instructions on where to measure and stuff. And that's pretty much it, guys. It lined up perfectly with the bumper. There's no gap at all. Both sides are perfect, I think, to my knowledge, how I see it right now. It's perfect. So they look really good. I mean, they're canards, but yeah. That completes the front bumper. But yeah, pretty successful day. Got the taillights on and the canards on. So I'm done with the video, guys, and I'm gonna end it here. So catch you guys on the next one. All right, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.